Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to Jake Cyrus, no? Kanta siya ng ano. He's gonna sing a cover of Charis Pempenko song. Title is Pyramid. Let's fucking go! So this is the first time na mapainggan ko si Jake Cyrus, no? Na kantahin yung Pyramid, like Pyramid. Nakanta ni Charis Pempenko. I mean, I know it's a meme. We all know that Jake Cyrus and Charis Pempenko is living in one soul, living in one body. I mean, it's not the same body anymore, but you know. And alam naman natin na medyo nag-iba na yung boses ni Jake Cyrus ngayon. No? Hindi na siya kasing katulad nung dati, nung hindi pa siya si Jake Cyrus. But I'm really curious no, kung paano niya kakantahin yung Pyramid, which is napakataas na kanta, no, ni Charis Pempenko. But let's see. No? I'm really excited with this. Without no further ado, let's get it.
Stones, heavy like the love is shown.
Oh.
Solid as a ground.
Okay, so hindi ba niya yung version, no? Ay, pagkaling konti.
Heavy like the love is shown. Solid as a ground we know. And I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up. Even in a desert storm. Steady as a rock we hold.
Okay?
Wish that every moment froze. No, I just wanna let you know.
Things can shake us, break us,
hurricanes can take
away.
love you. We built this on a solid ride. It feels like it's heaven's time.
Jake Cyrus, man. God damn.
Together at the time,
Like Pyramid.
And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall, just keep on going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Like the pyramid, like the pyramid, egg, like the pyramid. Hey. I mean, this is fucking hype, no? I don't know about you. Sobrang nag-iba na yung boss ni, no? Jake Cyrus kaysa nung dati pa nga hindi pa siya si Jake Cyrus. But this version fucking slaps.
Cold, never ever when you close. We will never let it fall. Story that was never told. Something like a mystery. Every step we took we grown. Look how fast the time has flown. Journey to a place unknown. We going down in history.
Shake us, can't break us.
Hurricanes can take away
Wait.
your love. We built
Oh, that's a fucking solid vocal run, no? Solid vocal run.
hurricanes can take away your love. We
Hey.
built this on a solid ride. It feels like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like the pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall,
Just keep on going.
Forever we will stay. If the sky comes falling down, you'll be safe inside my arms. I promise I won't let you down.
This feels like a cover, no? Like a cover of the original song. I mean, halata naman, no? Hindi naman talaga siya itong parang tempo and yung ano ng vibe ng original song, but alam niyo yun, kinanta siya ng same na tao lang, no? Parehas na tao lang kumanta sa kanya, pero sobrang ibang-iba, no? Parang ibang, same na tao lang, literally yung kumanta. Pero, parang ibang tao. Hirap i-explain. Ang hirap i-explain. Ah!
Forever found. I'll be here when you feel alone. No one can tear us apart now. Keep it going.
Pyramid.
We built this on a solid rock. It feels like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top. Really
Like
happy
pyramid.
And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall.
Oh, man. He still got it, man. He still got it.
Just keep on going. Forever we will stay.
Eh. Let's fucking go, man. Alright, well, again, that's Jake Cyrus Pyramid, no? I don't know about you, but I feel like I prefer that version. Kasi yung yung original version ng Pyramid is, very iconic, no? Sobrang classic na nung version ng yung unang version ng Pyramid na yan. But this time, parang sobrang para sabihin, smooth. Like the vibe and sobrang kalma lang, no? Sobrang parang sobrang R&B in the thing, and I fucking love it. I feel like I prefer this version, like the Jake Cyrus version of Pyramid. I feel like mas napaganda niya yung kanta, no? I feel like mas napaganda niya yung kanta. But yeah, that's the reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan niyo yun. Na-enjoy ko yun sobra, no? Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mag-reaction video yung artist, man. Singer, rapper, song, get after iTunes. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome.